Welcome back, curious minds, to another fascinating episode of The Fit Nation. Today, we embark on a quest to uncover the truth behind an age-old belief: fat leaves the body in the form of sweat. It's a myth that has persisted for generations, passed down from one person to another. The idea that when we sweat, we're shedding excess fat seems almost too good to be true. But is there any scientific truth behind this popular belief? There are numerous myths and misconceptions when it comes to weight loss, and one that often circulates is the belief that fat leaves the body in the form of sweat. But is there any truth to this claim? Let's delve into the science behind it and debunk this myth once and for all. To understand how fat leaves the body, we need to explore the process of fat metabolism. When our bodies require energy, they turn to fat as a fuel source. Fat cells release fatty acids into the bloodstream, which are then transported to muscle cells for breakdown and energy production. Through a complex series of biochemical reactions, these fatty acids are broken down into smaller compounds, such as carbon dioxide and water. The primary mode of fat excretion from the body is through exhaling carbon dioxide. In fact, about 84% of the fat we lose is expelled as carbon dioxide when we breathe. Each breath we take eliminates a small portion of the carbon dioxide produced during fat metabolism. So, when we say we burn fat, it's not a literal fire but rather a process that converts fat into carbon dioxide and water. Additionally, water is produced as a byproduct of fat metabolism. This water is excreted through various means, including urine, sweat, and other bodily processes. Sweating is a natural bodily response that occurs during physical activity or in hot environments. It serves the purpose of regulating body temperature and eliminating waste products, such as salts and toxins. While it is true that a small amount of fat may be expelled through sweat, it is negligible compared to the overall metabolic process of fat breakdown. It's important to note that sweating primarily aids in fluid loss, which can temporarily contribute to weight loss by reducing water weight. However, this weight loss is not an accurate reflection of fat loss. The main mechanism through which fat leaves the body is exhaling carbon dioxide. Sweating plays a minimal role in fat excretion. So, while you may feel accomplished after a vigorous workout and drenched in sweat, it's not the sweat itself that represents fat leaving your body. When we embark on a weight loss journey, it's important to focus on sustainable strategies, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and overall lifestyle changes. These approaches promote healthy fat metabolism and ensure long-term success. Remember, fat loss occurs when our bodies tap into fat stores for energy, breaking them down into carbon dioxide and water. So, instead of solely relying on sweating, focus on creating a calorie deficit through a well-rounded approach to weight loss. And that concludes our exploration into the myth that fat leaves the body in the form of sweat. Through scientific understanding, we've uncovered the truth behind this commonly held belief. Remember, weight loss is a complex process that involves the breakdown of fat molecules, the release of carbon dioxide through breathing, and the elimination of water through various bodily functions. It's important to approach weight loss with a holistic mindset. While exercise and sweating play vital roles in overall health and well-being, fat loss primarily occurs through the metabolic process within our bodies. So, the next time you're hitting the gym or engaging in physical activity, embrace the sweat as a sign of your hard work and dedication. Just remember that the true transformation happens within your body, as fat is converted into energy and byproducts that are eliminated through breathing and other bodily functions. Join us next time on The Fit Nation, as we continue to unravel the mysteries that have captivated our imaginations for ages. Together, let's uncover the truth behind the myths that shape our understanding of the world. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop seeking the truth, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.